Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13x and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's begin with opening the recents. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with 3 bars icon, and if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recents, so those apps which are not closed because you've just turned them off, not completely. So all you have to do to close all of them is to simply tap on close. Now we can enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.